Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you reset your password of Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after that tap to sign up and log in. And after going into the login page, you just simply have to enter your email address or phone number. Then tap to next button. And after doing this much, you will get to see a password page. Now into here, you just simply have to tap to forget password. Tap there and then it will give an option to reset password. Just simply continue, and after continuing the process, you will get to see this page right here. And now you will have to enter 6-digit verification code which you will get into your email address. Just simply check your email box and there will be verification code for you. And after that, the process will automatically be continued. Now you can select a new password for your account. You just simply have to enter the new password into upper box and confirm the new password into the lower box. You have to use characters between 8 to 128 and at least contain one number and one uppercase letter. Then tap to confirm and your password is successfully be reset. This way you can easily reset your password into Binance too. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.